Greetings of the day. I again welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. I, Gurpreet Kaur, welcome you all to your computer classes. Let's start with our topic. Today again we continue with our previous chapter, that is computer and electronic device, but the topic that we cover today is types of computer. I again repeat, our topic is types of computer. So there are many types of computers. They come in different shapes and sizes. That means the computers are of many types. But how we can differentiate? We can differentiate them. We can differentiate them with the help of shapes and sizes. So we can say computers can be differentiated according to their shapes and sizes. So let's try to understand the different types of computers. So the number one type of computers is desktop. The number one type of computers is desktop. Here in this figure, you are watching that 4 different parts of computers are there. That is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. So when we are connecting all these parts with the help of wire, then it makes desktop computer. Then it makes desktop computers. Now we are going to know about the different facts of desktop computers. Number one is they are big in size. They are big in size. They kept on desk. So every time we need some desk or table on which we can kept our desktop computers due to their big size. Now they are used in schools, offices, hospitals and homes. The last point is they run on electricity. Means when we have to work on our desktop computer, we need the power supply. So that desktop computers run on the electricity directly. I hope everybody understands. Let's go for the next type, that is laptops. The next type of computers is laptops. In this figure, you all are watching the laptop. Now, what is the difference between laptop and desktop? So, laptops are smaller than desktops. They are smaller than desktops. And in this figure, it is shown that only one part of computer is there. No extra keyboard, mouse or CPU is there. So, we can say in laptop, all the things are already inbuilt. ये सारी things laptop के अंदर ही होती हैं. We don't have to connect them with the wires. They look like notebooks. Like we are using our notebooks, we are opening it and closing it with the help of cover. Same like that in laptops, we are opening the laptops and closing the laptops. They can be easily carried anywhere, so also known as portable computers. They are also known as portable computers. Why? Because they can be easily carried anywhere. We can put them in the laptop bag and take it along with us to school, college, office, anywhere we want to take. So they can be easily carried. The main difference is they run on rechargeable battery. Rechargeable battery means for desktops we need continuous power supply, that is they run on electricity, but in laptops they work on rechargeable battery. Rechargeable battery means when we charge our battery for 3 to 4 hours in continuation, then it will run our laptop for 7 to 8 hours. So without electricity, after recharging it, we can work on laptop for 7 to 8 hours in continuation without any electricity. So that is why we are saying they run on rechargeable battery. Now the next is smartphones. Next is smartphones. Smartphones. Everybody knows about the smartphones because we all are using smartphones. We are watching YouTube videos. We are watching other movies, playing games on smartphones. So I think everybody knows about smartphones. These are the mobiles basically that work like a computer. Why we call these mobiles as smartphones or computers? Because they are used to do all the work that we can do on computer. जो काम हम कंप्यूटर पे कर सकते हैं वो सारा काम हम स्मार्टफोन्स पे भी कर सकते हैं. But they are also used to make calls and send messages. This is a quality of smartphone, that they are also used to make calls and send messages. They can be easily carried in pocket, so also known as portable computers. They are also come under the portable computer because we can carry them easily to anywhere. Now, the next part is tablets. The next type is tablets. Basically, they are bigger than smartphones but smaller than computer. But they are similar to smartphones. The difference between smartphone and tablet is only the shape and size. The screen of tablet is bigger than smartphone and their shape is also different. But all other works are similar. Tablets are also used to make calls, play games, read books, etc. So function of smartphone and tablet is basically similar, only there is difference between their size and shape. But one more difference, that smartphones we can carry in hand, हम उनको hands में कहीं पे भी लेके जा सकते हैं. But we need some bag to carry the tablet due to the bigger size. It is not fit in our pocket. Now, the next part is the wearable computers. The wearable computers are those computers that we worn on the body. ये वो computers होते हैं that we can wear on our body. इनको हम अपनी body पे डाल सकते हैं. Like Google glasses, smart watches, etc. Here it is a figure of smartwatch and here it is a figure of Google Glass. Basically these all are similar to our work, similar to our smartphones. In this we are using camera, internet, Bluetooth and all the things. But they are in different shapes. Smartwatch, we wear it on our wrist. Smartwatch को हम अपनी normal watch की तरह we can wear it on the wrist. But this watch works like a computer. We can make calls, we can using WhatsApp on this, we can record our voice. So we can do all the things on the smartwatch that we are doing on our smartphone. So it is a wearable computer. Next, Google Glass. Google Glass basically is similar to our eyeglasses. ये हमारी आई ग्लासेस मतलब सन ग्लासेस की तरह ही होता है, but it is wear on the eyes. We can wear it on our eyes. In this, one chip is there that is used as a smart chip. So how it works now? So these devices take our voice command as input. ये जो devices होते हैं, they take our voice command as input. I hope everybody understands. Now, one more point is, that is robot. One other form of computer is robot. Except these, one more form of computer is robot. Why robots are different from other computers? Because robots can move and talk like humans. Because robots can move and talk like humans. All remote control toys or cars comes under robot. All the toys that are run with the help of remotes, all toys that we are using at our home, that run with the help of remote, they all come under the form of robot computers. That all come under the form of robot computers. So I hope everybody understands today's topic. Let's tune with us for the new topic on the next day. Thank you. Bye-bye.